In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your watch history on TikTok, okay? Deleting watch history allows TikTok to recommend new videos without focusing on your past search history and watch history on TikTok, okay? Let's look for the TikTok app, this one here. Then allow it to load. Then click on the profile button at the bottom. Then click on the hamburger sign or the three bars to the top at the right. Then click on settings and privacy. Make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake, okay? Then after doing that, you want to scroll down until you see this place under content and display. You will locate activity sent, this one here. Then you will see watch history. Now you can see my watch history here on TikTok. Now there are various options here. Just click on select. Then you can just select one to delete, or you can select all watch history like this. Select all by clicking on this button to the bottom here, okay? After doing that, click on delete. Then delete watch history, okay? Like that. By doing that, you'll be able to clear all your watch history on TikTok. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.